If you are in your 20s or 30s, watch this video. This video is advice that I could give my young self. I'm 42 years old, and I believe there is one or two things that you could learn from me. One of it is to choose whom you listen to. Not everyone who says something has good intention for you. So be careful whom you listen to. You can be discouraged to start something because of fear from other people. So consider whom you listen to. Listen to people that are doing what you're doing, that are doing what you want to do, or they've gone, or they are where you want to go, and they have that experience, so they are speaking from experience. Don't listen to any person. Be selective to whom you're listening to, because not everyone has your best interest. Something else that I wish someone told me when I was in my 20s or 30s is that you should not fear to fail. There's a stigma that is attached to failing. People look on failure as if it's a taboo, and yet failure, when you start something and fail at it, you gain wisdom. That is how you gain wisdom, because it is experience. It's something that you just experienced. So that is value that you add to your life. But we fear to fail, so we don't want to start anything because there's a stigma that is attached to failing. So don't fear to start. Actually, don't fear to fail. Start something. I wish they told us, or I wish they told me when I was younger, that it is okay to fail. It's not bad to fail. But when you fail forward, or you fall forward, because you're learning something. You are learning something, So don't fear to fail. Start something that you're probably putting off. Just start it. Just start that something. Before you know it, you can realize that the things that you thought, or what other people told you about whatever you're starting, it is actually not true. So don't fear to fail. Start something, and if you do fail, you've learned a lot. You've really learned from real experience. It's not theory. So don't fear to fail. Another thing that I wish someone told me when I was younger, in my 20s or 30s, is to take risk. Take risk. There's no way you can achieve financial freedom if you don't take risks. There's no way you can become the best version of yourself if you don't take risks. So take risks. Try something. Because the thing is, if you look around, the people that have made it, they've taken risk. They've started something, and this thing has, some people, maybe look down on them and discourage them, but they took risk and their lives have changed. So take some risks. Come out of your comfort zone. Because as humans, we love to stay in our comfort zone, but there's no way you can get a different result in life if you're still doing the same things. If you're still in your comfort zone, there's no way you can achieve financial freedom or anything substantial or worthwhile if you play small, or if you play from your comfort zone. You need to get out of your comfort. Try something that makes you uncomfortable. Though that is where you find freedom financially, That's where you can find freedom, because you've tried something, and you can even be proud that you've started something. You have a conversation with other people. I started a restaurant and I failed at it, but there's a lot of wealth of wisdom that I got from running a restaurant. So I don't see it as a failure. I see it as real world school. I went to a school that is not university experience that I got from that failure. I would never have gotten it from university, because I was living and breathing that business. I learned a lot from it. So I don't see it as a failure. Although to other people it looks like a failure, but I learned a lot of things, because I had to wear a lot of hats. You have to do payroll, you have to deal with training, create menu, solve conflict of employees, you have to deal with paying taxes, you have to do filing taxes, you have to do all of this. So I don't consider that as failure. So take risks. You'll learn a lot when you take risks, when you get out of your comfort zone. You can learn a lot in life. One other thing that I wish they told me when I was young is, be careful whom you share your vision with. Be careful whom you share your vision with, your vision or dream with. Because not everyone has good intention for you. Not every single person has good intention for you. So be selective to whom you share what you want to do. Because people can be jealous. Some people have failed, so they want to impose their failure on other people. So be careful whom you share your vision, what you want to do. Sometimes, actually, most of the time, you should do your things in secret and let your results speak louder. Let your results speak louder. Let people be shocked when you've achieved certain things. So be careful whom you're sharing your vision, whom you share with, whom you talk to about your dreams and vision. Because not everyone has a good heart. Not everyone has good thoughts towards you. So just be careful whom you're sharing your vision with, your dreams with, where you want to go. Because not everyone is going to cheer you on. Be your best cheerleader. I know it can be difficult sometimes when you're doing things and you feel there's no one who is encouraging you. But sometimes it is okay to be a lone wolf. There's a saying that goes like that, to be a lone wolf. So be careful whom you share your vision with. So I wanted just to record this video and share the things that I wish someone told me earlier when I was in my 20s and 30s. If you got any value in this video, consider subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Like this video, share it with other people too. They can be encouraged through this video. We can make an impact. And also, if you want to join a membership, our membership, where you can find other people, like-minded people that want to go somewhere, consider joining our membership by clicking the join button below. And also leave a comment below. What are the things that you'd want to achieve? Let's work together. Let us build a community where we encourage one another. We have accountability partners. So consider leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.